Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Nita, a Nigerian YouTuber living in Lagos, okay? So in today's video, I'll be styling my hair. I'll be wearing this, putting on this short hair. This is a short pixie voice. The color is 99G. I'll be putting on this hair. And I already styled this hair, so I'll be installing this hair, okay? So the first thing I'll be doing here is I'll be putting on my mesh cap. When you're done putting on your merge, right? So the next thing you'll be doing is to put on your wig. So I have to put on my wig. I'm going to be spraying my glue, right? So this is what you do. Put on your hair, okay? So I just put on my hair, right? So I'm going to adjust it backward. Can you guys see? So I'm going to use this one to mark it. This is the concealer. I'm going to use it to mark my. Now, so you're seeing, right? You're seeing, right? So I'm using it to mark it. Can you see? I'm using it to mark it. Right? And then you come over to this side, drag it, and then continue marking. Right? And then you go back and drag your hair backward. So this is the trick, okay? I'm going to spray. Okay? So watch very well. Spray all the time. Okay? So spray, right? So that's what you should do. I'm going to push this one backward. Just like I did here. And then I'm going to add more layers. Be careful. Okay, then add more layers. And then allow it to dry too. So I'm going to be adding like 3 layers because I want this hair to be strong, super strong. So I'm going to allow it to dry. You see, it's sticky. Then you add another layer. And then add. Yes, and add. So can you see, I just added another layer. Then I'm going to allow it to dry again. You have to be careful. If you have a fan, this is where you should put on your fan or use your hand fan, or you use your, what do they call it, hand dryer. So we'll allow it to dry, and then before we continue, can you see? So we'll have to start from this part. So you bring your head forward, and then you glue. You press it down. Press it down. Make sure you press it down. Then use this. Use your phone to press it down very well. You bring this side forward. You glue, and then you press it down. Press it down very well. Make sure you press it. It's important to, you want your hair to stay. Use your comb if possible. So I'm using my comb, right? Then press. Can you see? Then you come over here, bring forward. Then glue it. You have to press it. Press it down. You have to press it down. Okay. Then you come over here, bring it forward. You and start pressing. Can you see? This thing is super easy. That is why I love using the spray. The spray is easy for me to use. Then I will come over to this place and then I'll bring it and then I'll start pressing it too. Use your comb to push your hair backward so your hair won't get involved with the glue. Alright? That is what you should do. So this is where I'll start pressing everything. Can you see? So this part is always my problem. Okay? This part is always my problem. See, it has gone back. Everything down. And then this is where I want to start tying. Okay. Okay, tie. Tie very strong. So I just let this. So I'm going to be adding another. I'll be adding this one on top of it. So come over here, and then I'm supposed to then I'm going to tie it again. See? So we'll wait for like 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, okay? We have to wait for like 20 to 30 minutes, okay? So while we wait, let's do something else. It's already up to 20 minutes, I don't know. It should be up to 20 minutes, right? Or even 10 minutes, so let's check. Let's check. So I'll be losing this. This thing is causing headache. This is one problem I have with this thing. It's usually cause headache for me. So let's check and see how it goes. It already. Oh my god. Can you see how melted this thing is? Oh my god. Yes. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So I'm going to be adding more of this spray. See? I'll be adding it on top of it. Like here, I did not say spray here. Spray here. Your hairline, that's where you spray it. To make it hold. Can you see? So I'm going to allow it to dry a bit and then before tying it. So do you know, whenever I'm going to install this hair, my hair, not this hair though, whenever I want to install my hair, they will charge me. Before I used to pay like 7,000, right? That was a few years ago. A few years ago I used to pay 7,000. But recently, my sister, the charge, became so much that it was too high. From 7 to 12. The last time I paid was 12,000, right? The last time I paid was 12,000. So I don't know what happened recently. I had a party to attend. I'm going to fold this. I'm going to fold it. Can you see? So that is why I'm going to fold this. So like I said, I had a party to attend, right? I decided to go and do installation. Hey, guys, when I got there, from 12,000, from 7,000, they said 12,000. Okay. 2 years ago, I paid 7,000. Last year, I paid 12,000. So I went this year. I had a location. So I decided to go and install my hair. I didn't want to install the hair by myself. It's not as if I don't know. I do know how to install hair, okay? But I just wanted, there's this look I wanted. I went to one of the salons around us. Decided to go install my hair because I wanted that look. And it's not as if I try to install it by myself, I won't achieve that look. I don't know how to. I will. But I wanted a professional. You know when a professional does his or her work on you now, the way you look, the way you look like a celebrity. So I went to my sister. They said it was no longer 12,000, it was 15,000. That was, I woke up, dust my daughters and went out. I came home and installed my hair and I said, the same look. The same look. I don't know if I have a picture of it. I'm going to put it up here. Since that day, I told myself, enough is enough. I'm going to be restoring my hair on myself. So guys, let's wait for this to dry and then we'll come back. So guys, we're going to be using this. Let me see. Wow. So the next thing I'll be doing is to bring out a little bit of baby hair again. I don't usually like bringing out because it's just over this part here. The baby hair I won't cut it. I'm not bringing out like a bit of hair. Over like this. Bring out small, so not small. So over here. I think this one is too much. Foundation here. So I'll be applying this foundation here. Just small, okay? Not too much. Can you see? And then you see this part. So I'm going to put this one and then spray so it will stay. Then we press it down. And I'm going to use this one too to press it down. I don't want to use. So I have my melting spray. The next thing you're supposed to put is your melting spray. See it? Melting spray, but I don't like using melting spray, okay? I don't like using melting spray at all. So I'm going to secure this again. I'm going to use this one again to secure it. So why I said I don't like using melting spray is that whenever I use melting spray, right, my hair will just pull out like quickly. We are finally done. Finally done. Crazy, crazy, crazy. My hair is beautiful. Guys, what do you think about it? What do you think?